Hello, I'm Kevin Tolly, founder of the Tolly Group. Welcome to our analyst preview. While the industry calls it unboxing, we think of it as unpacking, examining both the solution and the broader context around this product. Over the next several minutes, we'll share the Tolly Group's perspective on today's offering. This video is sponsored by Zyxel, though we maintain complete vendor neutrality in our analysis and opinions. Modern firewalls deliver comprehensive security beyond basic protection. The Zyxel USG FLEX 200H combines licensed security features including VPNs, UTM with IPS and anti-malware, SD-WAN functionality, and an integrated wireless LAN controller. This device can serve as your firewall with UTM and SD-WAN, primary router and gateway, and Zyxel wireless LAN controller. The USG FLEX 200H sits mid-range in Zyxel's lineup, with entry-level models offering fewer ports and reduced throughput, and higher-tier options expanding capabilities. The 200 HP variant delivers 30 watts of PoE Plus for access points or IP phones. Zyxel also offers specialized models for retail and branch offices with enhanced logging. Select hardware with adequate ports and throughput for several years ahead, aligned with your refresh cycle. Purchase capacity exceeding immediate requirements to avoid replacement within 18 months when needs expand. This model features 6 physical RJ45 copper ports. The 6 rightmost ports provide gigabit Ethernet connectivity for internal LAN zones. The 2 leftmost ports support up to 2.5 gigabit Ethernet each for external WAN connections, delivering substantially greater uplink capacity as internet speeds climb. Link aggregation enables combined 5 gigabits per second upstream bandwidth, or connect each port to separate ISPs for redundancy. 2 bundles are available. The Entry Defense Pack provides essential firewall security updates, reputation filtering, cloud reporting, and priority support. The Gold Security Pack adds UTM, sandboxing, web filtering, and additional security features. For standalone management, access the CLI through the console port or SSH, or use the integrated web GUI from internal LAN ports. Both support remote access with appropriate security. Multi-location organizations will prefer Zyxel's Nebula Cloud Management Platform for cloud-based visibility and management. However, detailed firewall and security configuration requires local or remote access via SSH or web GUI, while Nebula provides centralized visibility and device management. Zyxel's multi-core architecture with fast path processing reflects their multifunctional design vision. Real-world performance depends on actual system demands. These devices transcend basic firewall functionality, simultaneously delivering VPN and UTM capabilities. What you run and how you configure features impacts overall performance, explaining the asterisks on security appliance datasheets. Fortunately, most vendors' throughput specifications substantially exceed SMB requirements. When bottlenecks occur, the WAN link typically represents the limiting factor. Pricing involves 3 components: the appliance, your security bundle, and optionally Nebula Cloud Management. Plan on acquiring both appliance and bundle. Minimum investment combines the appliance with the Entry Defense Pack. Initial purchases include a 1-year license, but I recommend pricing additional years up front. While the appliance can function as a basic firewall, most customers will deploy it with an active security license to enable its full capabilities. Discuss multi-year pricing with your VAR initially to to avoid renewal surprises. The USG FLEX 200H delivers multi-gigabit uplinks for expansion, comprehensive security functionality for any SMB, and cloud management, simplifying multi-site operations. Existing Zyxel customers gain additional value through the integrated wireless LAN controller features, with cloud management extending visibility across Zyxel switches and access points. If this video provided value, please like and subscribe. Visit our About page for contact information. We welcome your feedbacks on products you'd like us to cover in future videos. Once again, I'm Kevin from the Tolly Group. Thank you for watching.